Well, yade eye nyansapono ebremo. Now we say we are say global village in Tino Yaba, your story no ya buy mu kakra. Na there is no channel make I say omo keep a very close eye, keen eyes to this story than we have done. Now thankfully so me were an apologist and a proponent of style of governance na ewofia. Enti eya na metai ekohopa. Ni nyina ne se wo nse na nsen. We de me boniti awa. Assembly start wo Burkina Faso akwa omo mampanyi Ibrahim Traoré sisei ni dia ahyeta babia no 37-year-old Brantie kete to be dia de no or 36 years or 35 years. Brantie ni say ni din ahyeta babia na oye o man ni mu ne masa no na USA soja ni panyi friend Michael Langley okoka say Ibrahim Traoré no gold na waje free abrofo ho no ode ACC ono nko ane ho oni asoja fo no mo cha omudi nti enche US fo no mbetiasi Burkina no makwa protect the sovereignty the people of Burkina ombe break the sovereignty of Burkina abura oman no invade ho na asem yokoka wo US na se army conference kese pa na se enhiamu omototo na no soja ni a oginam edema USA ewo Africa ye division ha se bibi koso na nya omo ne komomo message said we nye obi atini kromo na abrante yi ka asem no na ahye wiase abufuo se na mo US nya bibia na ye wo mo ho obi ama ho nti ade na Africa fo nso toto omo niam kakra mo ba bedi mo kon aba besi mo heni ba besi obi asem wo Burkina Faso nti ante ase abrante na anisima oso oba African tour o kan asem ni wie no oso oba African tour oba African tour so 2 days before so obeba no there was an attempted assassination of Ibrahim Traoré ombese omukuno ena omo foile yes one key member of Ibrahim Traoré team no eno no abeti ho say ya bremiska se nka minku ti said the Blaise Compaoré eku eye Sankara no but menye me a lawyer to me my anyway and nipa no omo ye ku no omo be ye ku no attempted ku no ye chesi omo omo kowura omo be mu a Cote d'Ivoire. After 2 days after that attempted and aborted coup no na Michael Langley oba Africa wan ko omo bia so say Cote d'Ivoire ho na man for connected dot to say ade ase ya pam no te say de pam Gaddafi de no why you say abrante American asemi won net so no we tuntumo and a US for the na ba besi Africa so na yeso jani a onhwe se bibi koso a enye wo ha onka ho asem and was Ibrahim Traoré agi gold the free abrofo no France ni US no agi gold no wodi siesi ono nko ane ho odi ama oman mu ho kire omo nti ane e wo se US for ne tisi ho no mo save Burkina fo na asem we no enra ene videos amesha no abrante bi ye investigative journalist ewo Nigeria ye friend no ye David Hundeyin mo amwo Twitter de munim no a lot of scandals is in Nigeria on the deba ama o mine kra wadwane de film otete because one aban yo hono enka na David Hundeyin tweet bi a okotwe na me basis so say special shout out to Michael Langley for unintentionally being able to bring Marcus Garvey's dream towards fruition. Man has united Africans on the continent and in the diaspora. Not just say, Sasemna Michael Langley koka so US for ne bebo Burkina no. A ginger some Africanism be across a wiasia. Me who be that since say ya wo me ebesi sabri Africa de nke ebeku Gaddafi obi atene ba bi di obahwa esi eku Gaddafi na yakasa omo mbubufu no omobuafu omo nte ase so no omo nte ase wo ha ni aba beche mampanyi bako Thomas Sankara Kwame Nkrumah yesisi aye ni etuno obia aye din omo nte ase na o makasa kakra 2 years na atwam but Ibrahim Traoré de yi ba ye no demonstration ni protester ekoso owiase no ebi si da se obi a wakoye ku na ewiase nyina etudi na ji se hands off omaka che US ne France say hands off na munnim na mo de akudie bia akọ na mo kotu abrante na ene ye be se wiase enti protest no na mo hwe no eye global na se o ma she dates banji fato so mame o mo kire se o mo beko demonstration global demonstration na eye wiase ba bia ene o mo beko o mo de 5th of May akosi 8th May. Now, I started that they be so come there from 28th April about BC 1st May and Ghana ako protest in support of Abrante Ibrahim Traoré. Ghana, someone in Black Coffee. Ma meno oye very vocal no or President Kufuor administration or creative art for no Wano ekobi na Reggie Rockstone ekobi. Mama Reggie Rockstone, where ye Ghana protests Black Coffee Ghana protest. My men say Burkina Faso mampenyino emano soja atade. Obeba be defend or minor say ekomba ama ye kuye nyina. This is in Ghana. Ghanaians are protesting in support of Ibrahim Traoré. But the emotion Reggie Rockstone on an ere na me wo special interest sa ne story num because of one particular reason. Mami we ne Reggie Rockstone de omo don me fe pa. Reggie Rockstone ne ire odi one no ete ye fe no Zilla. Na de man ye me nwanwa kakra ne say Reggie Rockstone ire. Nkenye onye obi anka oso opeku fo asem kra. Na na say unim no. Unim Zilla. Unim ne papa.
Debbie.
Oh. Ye fe ne Zilla Liman. Hila Liman eba eni Zilla.
Zilla.
Entinka obia ompe ku kra because ne papa ku for na amana enjoy the presidency, the only president of the Third Republic of Ghana.
27 months.
27 months and ku ye no. Ntinka Zilla de obi support to ku for and ko support because ku for the be true ne papa. But this is Zilla Liman, Hila Liman's daughter, married to Reggie Rockstone. Na protest ne kese pa no koso London. Central London. US embassy ohono. Nipa of all races. Amasi up say, this boy, we will not allow you to touch him. Nobody is allowing you to space to touch. The demonstrators occupied Central London, marching through the streets, standing in solidarity with Ibrahim Traoré. Yebem show videos no. Central London. This is London. Support for coupists. Support for Obi Awotu Abayegu. 36, 37-year-old Ibrahim Traoré. Where you London. Gambia. Streets. Omudi Omati Union. Edi Ama Ibrahim Traoré. Gambia. Omoso Ekoi. This is London. Indonesia. There are people from all the young countries, you know. Now, Jamaica, the other kakra. Rastafarians na boy nyoma no. Omo say in the past, yaku Thomas Sankara, yayi Kwame Nkrumah, yayi Lubumba. Every Gaddafi, mampanyi bi opportunity say opeso United Africa na say oye bibi ma Africa for enya yagudie ho mfaso bia no. Na nkrofo yakuno. Now much said this year dear, say obi ya the papa. Africans are able to see this is Jamaicans protesting for an African country president. Now this guy talking, send a video no ha. Also ye sojani or person or bano or bekonto kwanibi edema Burkina say US foreign TCY they are ready to come and fight. My country say Gambians have formed a union say they will go to Burkina and fight. Not just say Africa for no biana we are safe for who say Obi ya the papa they can see because Ghana for nkwa na eta na chi na yebeka se ni omo across the world including central London. Yabeko USA Juan Kasa. Amanfo atiesi krom say hands off. Mumame Ibrahim Traoré. Wo de pacho yanko protest ne so. Yanko na yehu countries no. Ye free wa. This is New York City. New York, Times Square. The most popular venue amanfo in the world, Times Square. And amanfo jina ho. This is Times Square supporting Ibrahim Traoré say Michael Langley and Trump and France for the world have seen your schemes and we will not allow you to go and invade Burkina. Hands off. This is USA and people are protesting against US and they almost schemes to uproot and I say invade Burkina. Protest in West Burkina for Nanka. So almost say Muslim will be saved. We can't say your problem. Burkina for say US for say you say save Burkina Bay interest. Almost say we are okay. We don't want any from 1960 BC 2022 akwaiba and omaino aprotete. Na ye who changes our dear back few months no. Enti yempe we no African countries ni bebria. Omo astati a omo ko protest in countries abrofu crew. And ebisu ya abrofu na nkasa. Whites, more social media, no whites or more support Ibrahim Traoré. Yanko Jamaica. That Yansha Rastafarians, Emancipation, Park, or Jamaica, a Hona, Bibia Beshasia, Omoko, na Omako J Emancipation Park. And almost a year protest in support of Ibrahim Traoré. Diema Yaka Wasem say, a bin sida. Normally, it is the protest against the African president. People will be paid and now people will be influenced. There was a protest in France against Ibrahim Traoré. And on a basis, Michael Langley must say, and the uncle can because a grounds not fertile. But this is a protest in support. A global. Pachomuma me Emancipation Park diano. Jamaica furniture say they are ready to fly to Burkina Faso to come and fight for Burkina. No, me pe Rasta for Indian Rastafarians now more boy no. This is the first one, but there's another one where Wagadugu we so April 30th and Rechi Burkina for no in the almost we are okay. And yet all the country in the krom say we are okay. Ye mo bia medada ye biem MSA o mine na te country be nye enkrofo no se say uko Facebook ubehu said ye eniema no esiko ho manfo atete esi kroma omo mo Ghana de no way pacho mom pushi na yan kontem because European countries they break cry echo. We will try and see how things move gradually. Pacho mumame emancipation for no na main cause is here because hono omashi asori atadi ankasa eti omochre say they will never allow we Ghana dear no abrantie dear Raf video no mama mintie Ghana now protect demonstration bia abrantie no kobi say munya Rastafarian dear no monfamra na monfa we Raf abrantie o Ghana ha demonstration bia okobi eno oko twitwi Burkina embassy omo signboard no paper ho nyina during the pacho ye movie na yenko we yentie Raf abrantie ya oko demonstration bia bi o Ghana yentie no.
Today, let's go to Libya and compare Libya to that of when Omar Gaddafi was ruling Libya, and we'll find out the differences. Today, Libya is in tatters. Libya is going down. Right now that we have seen another leader in Africa rising up to serve the interests of the people. America is back again. If America wants to save somebody, they can go to South Sudan. If America wants to save somebody, they can go to Congo. If America indeed want to save themselves, they will be better off than they coming to save Burkina. No Burkina Bay is saying that they need their help and they should go out of Burkina. That's what we are saying.
Afe mamintie black coffee so munya Jamaica na yɛkɔ black coffee ɔno so yɛ Ghanaian na ɛno protest na yɛkɔ so wɔ Canada no ɔmo nso join na bi in support of Burkina Faso ni ɔmo leader no nti dia yɛ ready ne yɛnkɔ na yɛmbra.
We've been waiting for him. We need him and we protect him.
So how far will you go if maybe somebody wants to,
We'll go to Burkina Faso and join the army. We'll go and sleep at the roundabout like the people are protecting. We'll go and stand outside his palace and fight for him. We're ready. Traoré, please, we're ready to come to your country. Send for us. We're ready to come.
So they said they were going to save Libya. Today, let's go to Libya and compare Libya to that of when
and Tokwa. Pacho yenya Emancipation Park de no Rastafarian for no mogu ensa edi amano no eno
in 2017 that this month must be recognized as the Rastafari month. And that's why we are here in support of Ibrahim to liberate Mother Africa from the white colonizers.
Na Abrantia no is smart. Wahu de ekoso ni nyina na ono ankasa nso abetro. Say you're reading the statement, in a video form or Twitter. You're reading Ibrahim Traoré. Pacho monfa ento somame. Na this is Ibrahim Traoré thanking the world. Now, per se, you should be on the Twitter page. Or say, Pacho monfa ne Twitter page, or no ankasa, there be monkosro kakra. Video, no, I'm a Sunday, and not your movie. Or no ankasa, no, on follow biya. And na on trusty will be we are no buy. Pacho mumma me video na Sunday and na yemfa movie. Why? Aha, say ebebadia. Ibrahim Traoré no. On follow be zero na man for follow the say no. Wo oba and when nipa be say 318,000. And no follow no. But no follow be or say I would like to express my gratitude to all the peace, love, and the page in it. Zero follow. Zero unfollow biya. Now I say, I would like to express my gratitude to all the peace-loving, freedom-loving patriots and Pan-Africanists who have rallied around the world on Wednesday, 30th April 2025 to support our commitment and our vision for Burkina Faso and a new Africa, free from imperialism and neocolonialism. Your active solidarity and this demonstration of sympathy strengthens, demonstration of sympathy strengthens our conviction that the fight we are waging for a fairer and more equitable world is justified. Or say the more who said we will never bend our backs in the face of adversity. We will stand firm until our peoples are truly emancipated. With you, we are certain that victory over the forces of evil is at hand. Forces of evil, imperialists. Or say together in solidarity, we will defeat imperialism and neocolonialism for a free, dignified, and sovereign Africa. Ibrahim Traoré, and who say, I didn't call a quiet corner no about Bontin say, Mamma Medasi. Now, protest ni be so sabe started. My main fight no man and boy and I say membra or no a Canadian we no. A lot of African youth and so ashe data omuchese omubeko protest ni bi. Pacho monfa last one nana. Yeah, kono Benji my send a year date no. I'm some science and dema but well unti monfa no to so na ye crew na mo be protest no. Last from May kono na yem fe no bra. They say they akọ chi no no.
Obama da say na enya nwanwa nyame bo wi asesa nete obi di obi so ehye obi so agene pefiri nsem efitete ebesinne ensesai na nesesan so ejen entiama ebribia no ye wono ma wom ye oppressors ehye nkofo so me manfa honni ene wom da bia no omobo nenso mu ni kamafo ena nyame ye hyehyea kosi se ebri adru ayo nipa bi liberate bi no aba opiem ba ko no abaju wi ase aboso
hwede da so ye mrante na omatiku wo Gambia se omo ba abeko emma
ka ho
omo se omo ye ready so mbeba abeko e de ama omo na before se obewie wo de no de omo de atosu ye the new date for peaceful African protest call to action Nkura omobe kodini 3rd May 2025 and started. Or say they lied about Gaddafi. We can't sit and watch them lie about Ibrahim Traoré. Africa stand up in unity. West Africa the near 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. West African time. Ghana Asia Independence Square. Lagos ewo Tafawa Balewa Square. Dakar Fobesia or Palace de Obelisk. Abidjan for Eko Palace de Republique. Bamako Asia or Monument de Independence. Ouagadougou for no Besia ewo Place de Revolution. South African party no. They may call it West Africa. Oko South Africa na. Johannesburg Omusha or Constitutional Hill. Harare Zimbabwe Africa Unity Square. Windhoek Namibia Asia or Zoo Park. Kigali ewo Amahoro Stadium. Oko East Africa protest no. Nairobi Asia Uhuru Park. Kampala Uganda Omubesia or Constitutional Square. Addis Ababa Ethiopia or Meskel Square. Dar es Salaam Tanzania ewo Manzi Moja Grounds. Oko Central Africa. Kinshasa DR Congo Omubesia or Place de Plata. Yaoundé Cameroon Omusu Ebesia or May 20. Ena Luanda Angola ewo Lago de Independence. And to we ma confirm protest on the 3rd of May, which is tomorrow. Other countries, ebe join it. Togo, enko. Togo is not there. Yeah. But Burkina, Cote d'Ivoire no cry more yes no. Still, I need to be Cote d'Ivoire. Almost support to Traoré. We say Cote d'Ivoire for the largest immigrants or more on Burkina base, and almost more Ivorians. Now, and protest na chino. Ama Mali, or mama, almost soja man penny 5 years. Almost so much the time in 5 years. Nana,
enti nyamidi obi free content be so no ababeje won. Ye betumi esisimu saa mbokwankwa suma na nipa bi apie afrim. African Emancipation in Kosaje fu na de eba. One he Salas ni Patrice Lumumba ene kofu Kenyata no nkofobia no mo ne eden etumi kasama abibiman na the amount western countries and also European and other continents is so kase se bibiman ede ne ho financially politically bibia me ade ho a omo sas bebre sika se beko fom entu omo mpe se bibiman de ye bede ho entu you be na sorry free ma wo ye dan wo ye target osaje fom ye libi hwe ko mo de Muammar Gaddafi Faso said the no see Libya na omane tie ye betwa trato so na de na omoye fast na bibrem ya dwen ye men kwakiri wo mo emfa force na eba mental slavery na ye ka no wo dada wadwen wo ka mo hu sa wo de na nye wo nipa na so apo asem no wo mwa se no te no agu ho fi na wow o wo memu no wo bu afu no amom ye bibia ya je atum incident kanya me send enkakra sa mental slavery na free ho ebi ma ho sa da bi abrofo de adwe di agro dodo he 30 says ya guy obai onyo sa papaje obai no 32 79 na papaje wo 32 and obai no ye hear radical leaders be say wa Africa na de ya me yakase say individual nations na support Africa Union be say na ente yenka last week I'm no kasa say be Monday na Lorenzo ona ye AU leaders say ye ente nenka ECOWAS na nkasa Tinubu Nigeria akokra yi hono so ana leader ye ente wo nka Emma you say ye shase na nka blocks no edi kakabom nations ni yade
but ECOWAS for AU for no there led by Tinubu ankasa no onpe Traoré anti ono there ne supporters nyina against Traoré
against ye na the aircraft no sa papa no sa Michael Langley no ne position am de ama nyina ne say US Africa Forces Commander na Marine Corps General Pao wo mo de no ama obi nti abibra mu nyina ya sra some de yo wo no de atu na bam say won hwe tine de ane say bebo na baso ase say 4-star general ye bebo na baso no bibi de ti Africa ne abona baso
papa ya nana boy kana se mo na TV
ono da so no
o de Alassane Traoré
4-star general and da so no na say bibi man kwa de wo hwe say bibia na ntumi nkoso enti US Africa Commander eno no ana all baso sabi yenya bibili man pani a wo de France for de ayamu yi ewiase nyina akoko mo betu Ghana kra na motoso mienu Cote d'Ivoire kamo kra de ka de abrante we aye no kamo mo support na ka bibia koye kama obi a na ebu ni man semese media emfa ho de ma mense media na de yini number 2 from so abrante we buy mfie mienu entem no de oye no ehu atwa mo sintino yemfa kwa bia so enyini firi ho na bibrem tumi kira wa na sa no mo de ayeye na eyi obi afiri ho yeye ayi kroma afiri ho yeye Gaddafi afiri ho na we ebekọ enyeye enti ase me maka nyaku no nanam soso so
okay
be kwa mo faso person de bibrem faso no hwese wi ase nyina France into gold reserves deposit no na toso 9 do mo kese because too free enya free Mali any Burkina ha Mali actually gold in there de ekọ na ho sese no na yaya ma ho enti se adwe yese de ye amoye ku a me adwe yesa wa ye ku onye ku suppress Africa nyina se ye mpese be me ho so ye bedi ye na atumi abachela dwo South Africa tumi gira ne naso a sa Asia na European na yin ya no bebre economy be scramble kakra enti yesisi bi omde sisi a eye me dese na enye African senko bebi antwa ko bo UK aye bo New York City ho na je se kwa bebi on betumi aye sa dem so siwe na de eye me den so Jamaica fo so omde ho agimi omma ba kom ti bom no omde ho gima enti de ekoso no mo bi ntwe ho film enye sanka Traoré na enya biblia mu nyina no mpese o kan yese obi asore ebe kana se obi no mo ka se de nada ye me adwemu mie samenta slave na obi akosku ni bi obi ahunu se ampam no betumi ese ento mebu ne man na o metu gold na wo na wo tu no US for na ehweso Ghana for na ejeja ho a sa no na entwem enti dem so sisi na me support wo de oni me support ya se enye ne me ka
wo ba ko ho ana
Everybody ma meko.
Okay.
Me abre enya support meko bi.
Okay.
Na de aye me dane se. Ene Ghana fo bebre nso ate ase. Emom eto be ku akono. Da bia se we da bia meka. Ya fa sa radical leaders na me di amama bi so a ewi ase nyeye. Da bia bebre. Ebi beka bi no ase. Aye ye nkoa. Ne ye ne wo adu bia nyame de ma ye ne wo. Enti de ekoso no kureni me da me chekire papa Ghana fo wiase nyina ye mo nyasa America be fa ko bi so ku akwa no o mo nyini fro o mo peleku no o mo kuna na de hu atomo so de bia no ma ye nkoa
well
ye nyina nta o machi
madam ase me ba sesia na ya bo topic we so quick na fe ya ba beto aso
se o akwantum o abrochire na o pese o send sika ko momo number so e wo Ghana anase o pese o send sika e ko bank account bi so e wo Ghana Medafo mame kan for lemfi amount. The enti ame kan for lemfi amount nyina ne say. O pay money transfer. O more exchange rate e was soro kese pa e lemfi. Na ni gisam kra kese ne say wo Europe. Now we your first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And wo UK. Now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now, you have $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemom answer na benya cashback no. Mema remfi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemu so se wa America na opese wo ship nyoma e free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo Fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma when him round so no mujina wabobuano omba be box on your man kama na omo dia call Ghana asumdwe mama omo so eni December ko account ne say o fro ma catch him say and I'm the BonahShow so and I'll tell you monka omo so mpre na omo chew 10% discount. Nia chat woni say o call Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe baabi adam wasomadwo obepe baabi a 100% security 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope baabi adam wasomadwo wa obe sorry with my year aduane live to say there sabi uti ufie papa bi ma frɛ Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.